Let's try 6 steaks, 6 different ways. We have got a cream cheese with hot Cheetos. We've got a Philly cheesesteak. We've got a buffalo mac and cheese. We've got a shrimp Alfredo. We have a sushi. And then we have a steak, egg, and hot sauce. We're gonna rank these 1 through 6 as we try them. Okay, so the first one is the cream cheese and hot Cheetos. I really don't even know how I'm gonna eat this. Oh goodness. I don't really think there's anything that you can't put cream cheese and hot Cheetos on. I know that's delicious and I'm absolutely loving it, but we've got a lot of great options here. Right now I'm gonna put that at number 3. And the next one we're gonna try is a Philly cheesesteak. This one has Cheez Whiz on it and then some sauteed peppers and onions. Look at that bite. I didn't think that I was gonna like that one very much because I'm not a huge fan of Philly cheesesteaks, but that was freaking delicious. I'm probably gonna put that one at number 2 right now. The next one that we're gonna try is this buffalo mac and cheese. Macaroni and cheese and steak, it just goes together, so this can't be bad. Here's the bite. That one at number 4, but don't get it twisted, it was delicious. But fortunately, I feel like all of these are gonna be delicious, so this is actually really hard. All right, the next one is the shrimp Alfredo steak bite. Again, this sounds like something I would eat on the regular anyways. I don't know how it could be bad. There's the bite. It's actually not as amazing as I thought it would be. Maybe it's the shrimp Alfredo that I used. It's not really giving anything. For now, I'm gonna put that one at number 6. But the next one is the sushi. So we've just got a California roll with some Kewpie mayo. We have got some sriracha, and we've got our homemade eel sauce. If you are wondering about the homemade eel sauce, there is a video on my page. Go find it, and we show you how to make it. Kind of wrong eating this with a fork. There's no way this could be bad. That is everything I hoped it would be. That is 100% number 1 right now. So the last one, I already know I'm gonna like it. Sunny side up egg with some Texas Pete on top. So let's go ahead and break the yolk. That looks delicious. It's even better when you dip some bread in all the runny, ooey gooiness with the hot sauce. That is such an elite combo. I thought that was gonna be my number 1, but the sushi topped it. All right, let's start with number 6. Number 6 was definitely the shrimp Alfredo. It was just kind of okay. Number 5 was the mac and cheese with the buffalo sauce. It was good. Number 4 was the hot Cheetos and the cream cheese. Divine. 3 was unexpectedly the Philly cheesesteak. That was freaking delicious. Number 2 was the runny egg with the hot sauce. And then number 1 was the sushi. I think I'm actually gonna go get the rest of the sushi right now and finish these steaks. Love doing these flight videos. If you have any ideas of what you would like to see next, just comment them down below. And what should we try next?